Hey guys, it's Kylie, and today I'm going to be doing the what's in my purse tag. I don't know if it's a tag, but what's in my purse? So yeah, this purse I got for Christmas, and it's a Michael Kors purse. It's a crossbody, but it can also be taken off, so it can just be a wallet if you really want it to be. If you have like a bigger purse and you just want the wallet part, then you just take it off. So let's go in my purse. So this is the inside. It's kind of like a wallet. The first pocket, which is right here, my change is right in there, and then I got some money. Yeah, and then in the middle is just, in the middle is just all my receipts really, and my wrappers for my gum. But yeah, look at all these receipts. Let's just go through what these receipts are. Let's see. Toys R Us, the post office, Publix, which is a local grocery store. Well, it's not local, it's like only in the state of Florida and some in Georgia, but yeah, it's a grocery store. The post office, the post office, the post office, not the post office, this is gum. The post office and the post office. So I go to the post office a lot. So in the last compartment, which is the back one, I have my chapstick, and this is just by the brand Chapstick, and it's a moisturizer, and it's like a vanilla flavor, I'm not really sure. And I have all my cards. This is my ID, my debit card, my Target debit card, a bunch of gift cards, my debit card from work, and my social security card is all in my purse. So that's a very short video, but that is it for what's in my purse tag. Comment down below what you have in your purse and what kind of purse you have, and if you like my purse like I love it. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I hope I'm paranoid, but I'm just seeing